So guys, today I'm gonna tell you some must-have car accessories which can actually increase your car's performance, life and even safety. So let's start with our first accessory. So we keep a lot of stuff in our car's boot space. So here I would like to recommend you a boot organizer which can actually help you to organize all the things which are there in your boot space and can help you save a lot of space which you can use for other stuff. And here you can expand this also to keep some extra stuff as well. And here you can rearrange the partitions in it as per your requirement, and whenever you're not using it, you can completely fold it and keep it aside. So let's talk about our next product. So it's definitely a lot of fun to go out with your friends on a road trip. But after the trip, your car looks like this. And cleaning this is like... So to clean this, I use this handy wireless vacuum cleaner, which has a really good suction power, whether it is mud or dust on your footrest, or even if you have to clean difficult corners of your car. So with this, in just 30 minutes, I'm able to clean my car completely. So let's talk about our next product. So if you drive your car a lot on daily basis, so there are a lot of chances that your sitting posture while driving is not being maintained properly. And because of which your spine will be impacted and you will get a lot of pressure on it. And with that, you might end up getting back pain or neck pain. So here I would like to suggest you a back seat cushion, which is ergonomically designed to keep our back in the natural posture. And with this, we get a proper support also for our back. So did you know in India, more than 70% car tires are either underinflated or overinflated. And even if our car is having low tire pressure, most of the times we don't get to know. And because of which our car grip can get impacted. And even it can reduce our tire life by 10 to 15,000 kilometers. So here I would like to recommend you a air pressure checker. So with this, you should definitely check your tire pressure at least once or twice a month and maintain proper pressure. And whenever the tire pressure is low in my car, I use this tire inflator. And using this also is very easy. You just need to connect it with your car's power socket. And after that, you just need to clamp this clip on your tire. And you just need to set the desired tire pressure and inflate your tire. And that's it. It takes only 10 to 15 minutes of your time, and even it will be very useful in any of the emergency situations. So the next accessory which I will recommend you now is the blind spot mirror. And with the help of this mirror, you will be able to see those blind spots which you're not able to see normally while parking, reversing your car, or even while driving. So in this blind spot mirror, you can easily see this person who's standing just beside the car, and which we are not able to see in the normal mirror. So you can even rotate this mirror in 360 degrees as per your requirement. And even installing this is very easy. You just need to remove these stickers and join these both parts, and you can easily put it on your car's mirror. So next I would like to tell you about the car ambience lights. And along with these lights, you get this remote as well, with the help of which you can change it to different colors. And you can set it to the party mode, and it gets synced with your music quite well and looks really cool. So installing this also is quite easy, and along with this you get these 4 lights, from which you can put these 2 lights after removing the sticker under your dashboard, and remaining 2 lights you can put it under your car back seats. And to use this, you can connect it with your car's power socket. So let's talk about our next product. So usually our car gets exposed a lot under sun and with the dust, and because of which our car dashboard and interiors gets really dusty and fade out. So for this, I would like to recommend you a car dashboard dresser. And by using this, you can give your car's interiors and dashboard a brand new look. And you can here see the clear difference before using the spray and after using it. So the next product is quite useful for a car safety, and these are car door reflectors. And you can very easily stick these reflectors on all your 4 doors. And these doors and reflectors can keep you quite safe, especially at the night time. And with the help of this, any other car can easily notice your sudden door openings. So in our car, to remove the bad odor, we usually use these artificial fragrances. But these artificial fragrances are made up from harmful chemicals which can impact the kids and even elders. So here I would like to recommend you a naturally activated charcoal bag, which can quite effectively remove the bad odor from your car, and even it can naturally purify the air inside your car. So if you like these car accessories and you want to see more such videos like this, do subscribe to our channel. And do tell me which is your favorite accessory in the comments below. So you can check out the best tire inflator for your car in the video here. And you can check our other latest video right here. So thank you for now. I'll see you in the next video.